Hi guys, today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings. Sorry, you click on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on sounds and aptX, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on personalized spatial audio. You click here on personalized spatial audio here. Click here on continue here. So then you just click here on start front view capture. Then it's going to add video inverse here. So then you follow all this step, then it's going to add with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.